Don't choose the wrong box.
Which one are you? This one.
Ooh, what? Let's go.
All these boxes look the same. I see you.
Oh, dude, that was close.
I don't need this. Definitely this one.
Oh, dude, you weren't even close.
Guys, like if I should hit this box, and subscribe if I should hit this box. 3, 2, 1.
Can you guess who threw the ball? Ow! Shutters! Come on! Ow! Cam! No! Ow! 10%! 10%! Oh, yeah! Cam. What? How did you do that without even looking? Dad power. Oh.
Rumi!
Oh!
Guys, if I guess who threw the ball, everyone has to subscribe. 3, 2, 1.
The world's biggest water balloon splash. Level 1, baby balloon.
It got 0 pins.
Level 2, small balloon.
That did 0 damage.
Level 3, normal size balloon.
Oh! 3? That's pretty good.
Level 4, solid gold balloon.
Oh! 4!
Shutters, that's 5.
Oh.
Level 5, big balloon.
4!
Shutters, who taught you how to count? Level 6, the world's biggest balloon. Let's go.
Bro, this is impossible.
Just like it's impossible to like and subscribe at the same time.
What?
Come on, Shutters, lock in. We can't give up. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Don't pick the wrong bet. Does anybody want to trade?
I'm just gonna go for it.
Oh, that did not sound good. All right, does anybody want to trade bets?
I do.
Sounds good, let's do it. Okay, Shutters, you good?
Ready to go.
3, 2, 1, fall. Shutters, that did not sound good. Are you okay?
I want the bed.
Oh, again? All right, guys, subscribe if I should lay down in this bed.
And like if I should lay down in this bed.
Nova, do you want to trade?
No.
Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Easy, hard, and impossible. Level 1, easy. Just like that. Level 2, hard. I might be here a while. Oh, so close. Yeah, let's go. Level 3, impossible. Wish me luck. Whew, not bad. I'll be here all day if I need to be. Ooh. Just like it's impossible to make this trick shot, it's also impossible to like and subscribe at the same time. Oh my god. No look. Oh my gosh. Oh! I lost everything. Let me explain. The other day, I decided I wanted to surprise my friends. So to afford the gifts, I sold all my stuff. First, I'm gonna surprise my best friend, Shutters. Yo, Shutters, I got you a Rumi cutout.
Bro, I wanted a Gino cutout.
Whatever, I guess he didn't like his surprise. Next, I'm gonna surprise Mike the Bounty Hunter. Check it out, I got you a Cybertruck.
That's nice, but I wanted a Lambo.
He didn't like his surprise either. Oh well, I guess I'll try and surprise my favorite K-pop demon hunter, Rumi. Rumi, I spent all my money, but I got you something.
Oh my gosh, that's so nice. I got you something too. I'm helping you get to 100 million subscribers.
Guys, subscribe! My best friend doesn't love me anymore. Let me explain. Yo, Shutters, you wanna hang out?
Can you do this? Didn't think so.
Yeah.
Yo, Shutters, you want to hang out now?
No thanks. I want to hang out with people that give me food.
Yo, Shutters, I've been asking all day. Are you down to hang out now?
I only hang out with people that can protect me. Oh my days. Get him.
It looks like I'll never hang out with Shutters.
Topper, I will only hang out with you if you hit 100 million subscribers.
Guys, subscribe!